Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to earn money with YouTube and Amazon affiliates. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start earning money with Amazon affiliates and you want to start posting videos on YouTube. What's the best way to go about doing this? Now, I've been doing this for some time now, and this channel for me is a very side hustle channel. But what I like about this channel is that it only has 180 subscribers, but I'm making around like $300 per month from it. So the channel isn't monetized, but here's how I'm doing it. Now, with this channel in particular, the best way that I've seen this to be able to convert is that I'll actually compare the same similar items together. So what I mean by that is I'll actually compare 8 different camping tables together. I'll compare 8 different wipes together. I'll compare 4 different corner lamps together. So by doing so, in my video, I'll actually mention which one I think is best. And that's what's been able to convert when it comes to creating these videos. So in order to earn money with YouTube and Amazon affiliates, I basically compare the same items together and then I post it on YouTube. And then if you check out my YouTube description here, you'll see that I actually tell them which one I think is better. Okay, so these are my top 4 picks, and then these are the other tables mentioned in this video. So I wasn't expecting this to convert so well, but it is converting pretty well, even when it comes to a channel with only 180 subscribers. So in order to earn money with YouTube and Amazon affiliates, I recommend reviewing the items that you buy, obviously like what I'm doing here. And then if you get any similar like items, you want to review them all together and then compare them and then let them know which item you think is best. So that's what's been working for me. And obviously there's other strategies that you can do when it comes to earning money with Amazon affiliates. This is just one of the strategies that I'll be doing more on this channel just because I wasn't expecting it to work so well. But it's a really nice, sustainable, evergreen channel. Like, people are always going to be looking for camping tables, stackable storage bins, bidet, corner lamps. So it's a nice evergreen channel that doesn't rely on YouTube AdSense. But once this channel does get monetized though, the YouTube AdSense is just going to be like a cherry on the top. But I hope you found this video helpful, everyone. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.